Hi, my name is Chris,
And I'm Tucker.
and today we're going to show you how to identify the 8 wastes on your construction site.
Toyota came up with an innovative way to identify and minimize waste on a construction project. These wastes are defects, overproduction, waiting, non-utilized talent, transportation, inventory, motion, and extra processing.
So Tucker and I today are on a construction site, and we're here to identify a issue and point out some of the 8 wastes that are related to that issue and go through them with you.
We're here on a residential project, and me and Chris have actually noticed that there's an identifiable waste here on site.
So we've identified that these joists are moved 3 times from delivery to installation.
This waste is called motion, which we talked about earlier.
So the 3 wastes, the three movements that are a waste in this are delivery, cut, and installation. We'll go through those.
Also, along with those 3 wastes, there's 3 values that are associated with the construction project. These are non-necessary value added, necessary value added, and not necessary, not value added. We're back here at Utah Valley University, and after identifying some waste on the construction project that we were just at, we're going to quantify them here on the board so you guys can see how much actual waste was on that project.
So the first waste that we're going to identify is the crane. So the crane is at $45 an hour. And so we're going to take the joists, which were about 80 joists, and multiply it by 5 minutes of waste. You get about 6 hours of total waste time spent moving the joists from the laydown to the cut to the installation area. So whenever you multiply that by $45 an hour, you get about $270 of just waste on the crane. So that is your transportation waste.
So with that transportation waste, there's also laborers that are going to be waiting while that crane is moving the material around. So I'm going to calculate that on the board here too. We have 2 laborers that are getting paid $20 an hour. And the wait time, there's 80 joists like Chris said. The wait time is 10 minutes a joist. So you do all the math, it comes up to about 13 hours of waste per house for 2 laborers, which has a total of $520. Add those 2 together, we have a total of $790 per house waste.
So as you can see, $790, per house, that's not a lot of money. But if you were to multiply that by all of the houses in the subdivision that you're building, that could come out to hundreds of thousands of dollars. So this can make or break your profit margin.
So we hope this video has helped you understand the 8 wastes and given you an insight into lean construction.
And thank you for joining us, and hopefully you have a better understanding of everything that is lean, and maybe you'll start utilizing some of these critical thinkings to identify some of the wastes on your job sites in the future. And thank you for joining us, and have a lean day.